Hello, my name is Jack Hoke, and I'm a full-time silversmith and lapidary artist based out of Jacksonville, Oregon. And here I am in my studio, in my partner's studio, which is actually in a jewelry store called Jacksonville Gems and Jewelry. That's where I do most of my creating out of. And I am going to be a teacher at Curious Mondo for reverse intaglio and silversmithing. So in the classes that I'll be teaching, I will be teaching how to carve into quartz crystal like this, where you carve from the back of the quartz to bring the image to the front. And what I do is I actually also carve on different facets for different effects. And I'll show you in the videos on how I do the different effects and how I pick the material that I do to create the types of different effects that I create with my reverse intaglio carvings. But that will be the first class that I will be teaching there, and then after that I'll teach how I do the silver work, because I am also a silversmith. So feel free to definitely go check out Curious Mondo and keep track on when I will be teaching the classes. Thank you.